Welcome back to another episode on the CryptoWealthy channel, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to cover Filecoin or Filecoin over here one more time because we do have something interesting to discuss about what happened yesterday, what kind of a prediction we gave yesterday, what's happening right now on this chart, and we're going to connect also this with the Bitcoin so you can have a better picture about this coin. And I need to give you few indications and warnings. There are a lot of new people in the crypto space, so you need to be very careful if you are trading this coin or any other coin or investing in it. That's also a very big difference. And now let's begin. Some people in the comment section below in the previous video, which was, by the way, thank you very much for so many views, said about should I be worried because I'm in loss 10%. I told you very well in the previous video, actually in this video over here, that you should use your stop loss if you're trading, and if you're investing you should put your money to work for yourself on the longer period of time, and you need to be careful where are you putting your money. So if we get back over here on the Filecoin, what you can see in the previous few days, Filecoin, as we discussed in the previous video, this was the first wave as we discussed in the Elliott theory pump. After that we had the second wave, which is corrective wave, and it's coming in the three parts over here. And right now we are in the third wave. The third wave is the biggest wave as we discussed yesterday, and it tends to go 161 and more % to the upside before you can expect some sort of a correction. That is my words from the yesterday's video, which means after you hit those levels you should expect some sort of a pullback before continuation into the fifth wave, which means after third, the fourth wave over here is corrective, and after that continuation to the upside, which is also one of the shortest wave than the third wave. And after all those 5 waves you should see ABC correction, something like this, and then continuation again in the waves, and so on and so on. Nevertheless, over here we are in the third wave. Since we did yesterday video, it seems like that the Filecoin already hit our target on exactly those levels and pulled back. So I'm going to explain you what happened and should you be worried or not. If we take the measurements of Fibonacci level as we did yesterday, put it over here, then we can just move this to the bottom of the second one, and as you can see you got the perfectly good. This is the thing that we did also yesterday, and as you can see the target has been achieved over here. Filecoin was a little bit overextended to 97, even to 100. I also explained that and said that the Filecoin may even go further than this over here, $80-90 or so. And as you can see, exactly it closed on 88, and after that declined from 88. So the target that we discussed in yesterday's video is achieved. So right now the Filecoin is in correction a little bit, let's say like that. I do believe that we may see this for the next period of days, but maybe even not, and let's see why. Interesting things you can see actually on the 1 hourly chart. So as you can see over here on the 1 hourly chart, we have something very interesting that you most probably didn't notice if you're new over here. If we take one trend line over here, draw it over here, and you take the another one, what you can see over here is one of the flag. This flag usually is the continuation flag to the upside. Why to the upside? Well, the price came pretty much from the downside, which means it's in the bull market, and it enters in the consolidation phase. The traders right now are accumulating and consolidating around this area, which should continue the next bull push to the upside. So this is something that always watch before you do anything stupid. That's why I said yesterday, be careful, use your stop losses, do not buy the top and sell the bottom. Nobody wants that. So please always use your stop losses. So far so good, you shouldn't be panic. There was a one comment for now. If the price starts plumbing below over here this level, which is 76, also Fibonacci level of 1.272%, then maybe you should expect the next price to the 71 cents before we see continuation to the upside. So make sure to observe and definitely watch and be careful about Filecoin or any other coin on the market. Do not buy the FOMO. I know it's very hard when you see something goes up, you want to get in. Do not get in until you see correction. Somebody most probably bought over here, so make sure to see the correction, watch the charts. Charts are going to give you best indication when to buy this coin or any other coin. Make sure to observe. Now, next thing I want to add with this coin is the Bitcoin. As you can see, we discussed about the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is very effective when it comes to the dumps and pumps of the altcoins, so we need to also watch Bitcoin very carefully. And there are some things that I'm a little bit worried right now, and that's MACD. MACD lately gave us some good indications that we discussed all the way over here. For example, in this dump we discussed if we cross these two over here, if those two moving averages crosses, we're most probably going to see push to the upside, because MACD in this case scenario is much more effective than RSI, and that's actually a topic for other day. But nevertheless, that actually happened. As you can see over here, we broke this continuation pattern over here and we pushed to the upside. So this is the same thing that is happening right now. We're going to see if the MACD is going to be effective right now, but we are losing bullish steam. I get this because we just broke all-time high and, you know, starts retracing to the 20 MA, which is good. We retested, we bounced, but right now it seems like those two are trying to cross, but still nothing. We're going to see, we may see actually fake crosses and then continuation to the upside, but nevertheless, make sure to observe Bitcoin first and then Filecoin second, how the Filecoin is acting. If the Bitcoin price starts plunging and the Filecoin is plunging also, and if the Bitcoin starts breaking some major level of supports, then we may see the problems. But nevertheless, we're going to cover this in the next videos, because right now still it's too early. I think the Bitcoin and crypto is right now taking a rest from the previous pushes in the previous days. We had a good run with the altcoins. We need to let them breathe a little bit. Right now, I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen, for the technical part. We're going to cover news also in other videos. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of a content, and ask me whatever you want in the comment. I will be more than willing to answer you those questions and to help you if I can. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos. Until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.